just gonna assume all of them are ready, okay, guys? When I say go, come back to the rocket trucks, get into the passenger seat, and hold down the left mouse button. 3, 2, 1. We shoot now.
Okay.
There's multiple to shoot for each person. Makelele, the other side. You got it. Good. Ooh, yeah. Yeah.
Shoot,
Good.
go.
There we go.
Something is alright. I only shot one so far.
Same.
I see something white in the map now.
Oh, good. The safe house is down.
Okay, so we did.
Fuck yeah.
Got it.
Let's go.
Nice.
I'm just about to be in range to see it. So yeah, we got it. And anything else that was around here is vaporized. So open your map, guys. It's 0630 right now. We'll shoot at 0635. Just try to be a swarm. 0635. It's close. Alright, I'll get to the other ones.
Oh, there's partisans.
How many
Bill
meters away
bugs.
from us?
They killed one of the trucks, but it doesn't matter. That
One of our
truck already
trucks?
shot.
What the fuck are they?
Right in front of us.
Rats.
Ready?
Alright, on 1. 3, 2, 1.
One what?
Like, shoot.
Start shooting.
I know, I'm fucking with you guys.
You keep your mouse button down and then.
Nice. Nice hits on the safe house. Or, I mean, the town hall. Yeah, it's on a tier 2 fire right now.
Ooh, reload the last one and fire them as well.
But the spread
Jamie,
is
shoot the
quite
lucky
a lot.
rocket. The lucky rocket, Jamie.
Nice hit. Yeah, nice hits on the safe house, yeah. Tier 2 fire,
We need to get it to tier 3.
yeah. Tier 3 fire. It's upgraded.
Ooh,
Yeah.
nice. Okay, that's fucking good.
I guess it can upgrade, I didn't know that. Now it's a tier 2 fire
That-
again. No, it's
tier-
tier 3.
oh, shit.
It keeps going back.
Do
I
they
don't, know
have a
what,
fire
I don't know what I'm seeing on my screen, but it's a tier 3 fire right now at least.
Well, there's still
Nice.
one more rocket incoming.
Yeah, I guess I'll just try to reload them.
Maybe we need 40.
Yeah.
Let's do 50 to be sure.
Like almost 50.
At this point, way stop there. 60.
It's incredible that you can't even kill a town base with 30 rocket trucks.
More! We just need more! Alright,
These do cause fire damage, right?
yep.
Little bit.
So,
Look, if it doesn't kill the base, you are killing their morale.
it's degraded down to tier 2, and then it's at tier 1 now.
Ah.
It's out. Or no, it's tier 1, but and then there's a lot of people throwing buckets on it. Yeah. Doesn't even. Hmm. Yeah.
So maybe you're
Any
not.
bunker bases we can fire at?
We just killed another bunker base. Northeast of the town hall.
Oh.
But if we don't get the town hall
Yeah.
down, it doesn't really matter.
That is true. Yeah, we killed the bunker base that they redug. So, haha, 6 pieces. They have to dig again. That's all right. All right.
Railroad
So we're gonna
bridge.
shoot on one. All right. 3, 2, 1. You can hear him at least. The words of last AW. All right. There you go. That didn't take much at all, huh? That didn't take much at all, huh? Very good. Yeah. It's nice.
One more,
It's nice.
2 more.
Oh, you killed a CV too. Haha. Killed the
PJ, I hit
civil
someone.
vehicles. Very nice. I can't really I saw like half of it. The other half is like right on the thing itself. The AW.
All the trucks have 1 extra rocket.
Yeah,
The
sand it.
town base is white now.
Yep, you guys destroyed it. Good job. Yeah, I can see it.
Yes.
We took a little bit of time. The volley was like 35% off of it, but 65% on it. Right on it. And the Logi driver brings his Logi, the enemy. He's coming in. He has Logi, and he's like, "What? What happened? How can't I submit my logistics?" All right. Yeah, the AW being tier 1 and then the weakest variant of the town base in the game makes it a really easy target. Okay, on 1. 3, 2, 1. That safe house. That's
Don't forget to reload. The last one.
Nice.
Reload.
The last one.
There's always one left.
nice. Yeah, safe house is on fire. Yeah, I guess we just took too long. It was it's on tier 2 fire. A lot of it, like half of it, was off. Regrettably.
There's a fire attack on the east of us.
Yeah.
Partisan on the road with a cutler. He just missed me.
Kill him. Where? South?
Tier 2 fire in the safe house.
Yep, south along the road, in between our firing spot and the loading spot.
Go take care of him.
Tier 3 fire in the safe house. Nice.
Cool. Is he still alive?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I hear him.
Go for the reload and we'll shoot the town base.
He's down.
All right, free cutler.
You want an RPG?
Anyone got B-mats? We got a disabled rocket truck in the intersection.
Sorry.
Oh, this truck is full of B mats. It's got like
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 430. Just above the gate of the intersection. It's just a lodge
Great
truck.
news, we killed the safe house.
Yeah, white safe house. Good. Good deal. Mission successful. Alright, on 1, 3, 2, 1. Nice hit. Watchtower destroyed. Right hit on the town base. That's a little short. Yeah, a little bit short. But town base is 2-2 fire. Logic truck dead. 2-3 fire. Better result than the last time around. You guys were a lot quicker and it shows.
Nice.
Yeah, pretty slick.
Well, shoot the last ones.
Yeah, shoot every single one. 2-3 fire. Ooh, beautiful.
So what do we do with the trucks now? Into the depot or?
Logi truck taken out. This guy dropped off Logi. He's like, oh, I wonder what they'll
That's
do.
at the back.
I hope he didn't deliver his stuff.
Yeah, he was able to, but he's probably like passively like driving up to it, being like, I guess what I'll bring next? What if they got some gas mask? And then I don't know where all those rockets just fucking kill him in his trucks. He had a
Spartans
passenger
south.
too.
Logi south.
Yeah, 5
Spartans
infantry
Just behind.
kills.
About
As a
Position
direct
two.
out of the battery free.
Pretty slick, guys. 5 infantry kills. Crispy bacon. Tier 3 fire. It's more damaged off the initial impact of the explosives than it was last time for sure, through and through. This flatbed drives up with the pallet of barbed wire and he's like, oh, good
Got my
job,
radio,
oh jeez.
Tommy.
Okay, so where are we leaving these?
Storage depot, private stockpile.
And do we have a stockpile here, or is it down in public?
No, we also make the 3 stockpiles. Because the one that is present is Gallant, and I deleted the code for it by mistake, and now we gotta make better to just make 3 more stockpiles and post the codes in the Discord. Yeah, still burning away. They're tossing water buckets on it, but it's still 2-3 fire.
Nah. Water buckets is not gonna save it, probably.
Oh yeah, that's what I
Hopefully.
hopefully.
I'm making a new one. Hold on.
Thanks for the help, Bled.
I spawned in with blood on my helmet and uniform.
We're just chucking
Okay,
in
it's
salt farm.
visible. Army 1.
Yeah. Visible army 1, army 2, army 3.
Hold on, I'm getting all 3 made.
Oh, did we do it?
Gallant put us dead.
Ooh, we did it!
Killed it.
Yeah! The first, we did it, guys! Oh, look at that!
Nice.
We fucking crushed it, dude.
And we also killed the bunker base again, so they
Yeah.
probably don't even have a garrison there. The safe house is still dead.
Mm-hmm.
Good shit.
Okay, Army 1, 2, 3 is made and visible.
Ah, wow.
Good job today. I'll catch up with you guys later.
See you later, Jet Power. Thanks for the
Yeah.
help.
Bye bye. Thank you.
This is what it's all about, guys. The
Yep.
tier 3 town base. There's no structure stronger than this.
Mhm.
And we just killed it.